White blood cells. White blood cells, also known as leukocytes, are an essential part of the immune system. They are a diverse group of cells that plays a crucial role in defending the body against infections, foreign substances, and abnormal cells. Here are some details about the white blood cell. Number 1. Types of white blood cell. There are several types of white blood cells classified into two main categories: granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes Granulocytes include neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. They contain granules within their cytoplasm that can be seen under a microscope. Number 1. Neutrophils. Neutrophils are the most common types of white blood cells. They are the first responder during infections and are highly effective at engulfing and destroying bacteria. Eosinophils. Eosinophils are involved in allergic reaction and defense against parasites. They release toxic substances to kill parasites and modulate allergic responses. Number 3. Basophils. Basophils release chemical mediators such as histamine during allergic reaction. They are also involved in the immune response against parasites. Agranulocytes. Agranulocytes include lymphocytes and monocytes. They do not have visible granules in their cytoplasm. Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes play a key role in the immune response. There are three main types of lymphocytes: T cell, B cell, and neutral killer cell. T cells are involved in cell mediated immunity. B cells produce antibodies, and NK cells eliminate infected or cancerous cells. Monocytes. Monocytes are the largest types of white blood cells. They circulate in the blood and differentiate into macrophages or dendritic cells when they migrate into tissue. Macrophages engulf and destroy pathogens, debris, and dead cells. While dendritic cells are important for presenting antigens to activate other immune cells. Formation of white blood cells. White blood cells are produced in the bone marrow through a process called hematopoiesis. Stem cells in the bone marrow differentiate and mature into specific types of white blood cells under the influence of various growth factors and cytokines. Normal white blood cell counts. The normal range of white blood cell count varies, but is typically between 4,500 and 11,000 white blood cells per microliter of blood. Abnormal white blood cell count may indicate an underlying health condition. White blood cell disorder. Imbalances or abnormalities in white blood cell count can be indicative of certain medical conditions. For example, leukocytosis. This refers to an elevated white blood cell count often seen in response to infection, inflammation, or certain cancer. Leukopenia. Leukopenia is characterized by a low white blood cell count, which can be caused by viral infection, bone marrow disorder, autoimmune condition, or certain mediation. Leukemia. Leukemia is a type of cancer that affects the bone marrow and results in an abnormal increase in white blood cells. Lymphoma. Lymphoma is a cancer that affects the lymph system, including lymphocytes. Neutropenia. Neutropenia refers to a low level of neutrophils which can increase the risk of infection.